guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 49. Let's start reading. I would do this against my will. So for sure, hindi si Bansha yung kukunin niya. I choose her. This month. So bumaba siya. Don't be afraid. Aba, talagang siya ang kinuha. Syunga-syunga ka, guy. Your Highness. Siyempre yung tinignan niya yung labas lang, di ba? Hindi niya chinek yung kayang gawin ng babaeng to. For sure yung nasa isip niya. It's true that heroes love beauties. See? Pati siya nakakomment ng ganun, di ba? Yung pinakamaganda yung kinuha niya. Not knowing na mas maganda si Bansha. O di ba? Di man lang lumingon ang dalawa. Now, I cannot only break Bansha's heart, but also kill her and get away with it. Di ba? Hipokrita talaga tong babaeng to. I knew it would end up like this. Di ba? Kasi ayaw nga sa'yo ni Kaya, pero that's okay. For sure, darating si Yubei will come over to save you. Luckily, I've never had to pin my hopes on anyone else. But honestly, I'm so disappointed with this prince. He never gave a second look to Bansha. Clang. Your Highness. See? He was just pretending all the time. Kasi nga sobrang sakit na nung ano niya. Saan niya ba kasi nakuha yan? The nomads of Outer Molia will repay any favor, and saving their prince is my only chance to survive. Mas, diba? Mautak talaga tong Bansha na to. She knows what to do. Of course, you need to cure the the king of Molia. So you will be pardoned. Nice thinking, girl. I know medicine. Trust me. Stop the bleeding first. No, you're from the most treacherous and cunning Dayao country. You can't be trusted. In doubt pa, mamamatay na yung king nyo? Seriously? He's going to die. He'll bleed to death unless we stop his bleeding. See? I'm in your hands now, and I would never harm him to stay alive. Let her treat him. Amugu. And who is Amugu? And is this a girl? My gosh, she's a girl. He has an unusual reddish color and should have a sudden and acute fever. O diba? Malayo pa lang, na-identify na niya. Ibig sabihin, marunong talaga siya sa medicine. Also, that's a girl dressed in men's clothes. See? Na-identify niya din yon. Listen, we didn't mean to kidnap you. We just want the wagon. Tutulungan ka nga, di ba? So paaalisin pa rin niya. Our men were injured. If you can heal them, I promise to let you go. Okay. It's a deal. O, diba? Nag-deal siya. So what's next? What happened? The next morning. Ooh, may pa-abs ang kaya mo. Oh, he's the king of Outer Molia, di ba? Pogi. This is... Yeah, shakes. Ah, nasa carriage siya. Ganda ng abs ni kuya. Shake. Don't move. The more you move, the more it hurts. Maniwala ka, be. Siya gumamot sa'yo eh. You're not dead? Grabe naman. Pinagaling ka na nga. You wish her dead pa? Grabe naman tong King of Outer Molia na to. Walang gratitude. Brother, it was this girl who saved you. Oh, she's a princess? She knows medicine. She fixed your arm. Drink the medicine. It will ease the pain. Ang tanong, iinumin niya kaya yan? Take over. Pero ano pa rin siya, no? Cautious pa rin siya. Kahit kinuha niya. Don't worry. For the sake of my life, I will never poison you. They're both unhappy, as you can see. Feed me. Aba? Papafeed po. Ganon. Kaya mo naman. Sudden stop. Oh, wow. Ganon. May payakap ang ate mo, girl. Ganun ba kalakas yung sudden stop na yun at natapon ka talaga sa king? Sorry. At talagang tinulak. Your Highness, that's si Yubei yan? For sure si Yubei yan. He's the prince of the Dayao country. Yubei? What's he doing here? Tama? Si Yubei nga. King of Outer Molia. It's been a long time. Hi, my prince! Are you here to save Pansha? Of course. Siya yung love of his life. Kaya isi-save niya talaga. Don't tell me that's the end. No. Oh, that's the end again. Ang iksi naman. Next episode. I don't want to marry Prince Tuan. Let's join hands. Diba nakipag-negotiate na naman siya. As Nine Juho said, Yubei Yi can be useful for me. Stunned. Next episode, let's join forces. Stay tuned. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.